Echoing red carpet moments of his past, greeted by a tunnel of press. Johnny Depp's reception inside the High Court was anything but. Cross-examination in his libel trial focused heavily on allegations of violence due to excessive drug and alcohol use. This photo submitted to court shows the actor apparently unconscious. He said he was sleeping. In another image, bruising to his ex-wife Amber Heard's arm is seen. She claims as a result of a jealous rage by her former husband. An email which was written by Ms. Heard and never sent was also read out. "It's like Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde," she wrote. "Half of you I love madly, the other half scares me. Many times you've hurt me, physically and emotionally. The monster comes out and you become mean and horrible, the opposite of why I love you." Amber Heard was also in court as her former husband attempts to sue the publishers of the Sun newspaper over an article describing him as a wife-beater. Among 14 alleged incidents of domestic abuse, she claims she was kicked in the back and slapped repeatedly on a plane by Johnny Depp after being accused of sleeping with actor James Franco. Johnny Depp strenuously denies all the allegations against him. He told the court, "I would call a man who kicked a woman in the back a savage. It's the worst thing that's ever been said of me." He also said that his ex-wife's claims were a hoax that she'd been planning for years as an insurance policy against him. Photographs of what appear to be lines of cocaine next to Mr. Depp's credit card and a skull and crossbone box with his initials on were referred to by lawyers. He agreed he'd used the drug but had never been addicted to it. He was also asked repeatedly whether he had trouble recalling details from the past. He said no. Johnny Depp looked visibly tired after 5 hours giving evidence. One of his last comments to the court was, "I am not a violent person." He'll be back on Thursday for a third day as extraordinary but conflicting details of this Hollywood couple's marriage emerge in what has become a high-stake libel trial. Adele Robinson, Sky News, at the High Court.